Wait, is my red light on? Look at me.
Yeah.
It is?
It's blinking, yeah.
Oh shit, dude. You want to say something to the channel? Oh god. Oh, that's my intro.
Oh no, wait!
What? Oh! Let's back up.
That's why I'm like he doesn't know how to get other things.
Damn.
Holy fuck! Look at your front left tire.
What?
She's sunk.
Oh, is she? How bad? Oh, this is like mud.
We'll make it out?
Yeah, we'll make it out.
That's not what he said.
What?
At least it's halfway out.
This is amazing. That is like a lot more mud than I thought it would be. Shit, that is soft. Damn it!
We're in there.
Are we?
Like there's water inside.
That's okay.
Why are you taking the same way?
Oh, I thought I could break that ice.
You ever rolled this thing before?
No, there's a first for everything.
Wait, what? Wait, what? All over you.
What?
Wait, sit down, I don't want to flip.
Go! Oh, we bottomed out bad there. Oh.
Hold on, everyone out. Everyone out.
Oh, no. Oh, I'm sorry, Connor.
I cannot get out. I cannot. Just the middle is hitting the,
I'm bottomed out on this shit. These little trees. Oh no!
No, you're good. You're good. Just back up.
Oh.
No, just back up.
No, we're not good.
Are you in low?
Oh, I'm not in normal. Oh! I've been in work mode this whole time. What?
You're going deeper.
Am I? Hey guys, I'd like to go home now.
Momentum.
Go what?
Momentum.
What? You think I was gonna get stuck?
You went that way the first time.
So you want me to hit that grass and then hit that grass on the left? Yeah?
Hold on.
I wouldn't go too
Better have
fast.
some
though.
momentum.
Remember that part when I said don't go too fast?
Holy shit!
And this is what we hit last time?
Oh, dude, this is bad!
Hold on, Nick. Hold on.
Oh no! My fender flare!
Go slow. No, I'll just see. Pull it. Let you pull.
So my camera ended up dying shortly after this, but we ended up getting Winched back, made it back home, had a decent amount of damage to side by side, not too bad. Mainly just the front bumper was pushed in from when we hit this ice in this big hole. So we'll just have to bend that back with a come along. And then we just had some body clips missing from the fender flare. So definitely could have been worse. Will not be riding this this trail anytime soon again, that's for sure.